Basic elements of a story, easy spoken. Learning objectives. Number 1. The students should be able to identify the basic elements of a story. Number 2. The students should be able to create a simple story that contains the basic elements of a story. Number 3. The students should be able to explain the role of elements in shaping a story. Learning agenda. Introduction. An overview discussion of the elements of a story and their significance in literature. Discussion. A discussion of setting, character, plot, conflict, theme, and setting. Performance. A discussion on how to accomplish the performance task for this lesson. Introduction. The most fundamental components of a storyline are the setting, characters, plot, conflict, and theme. Understanding what each of these aspects contributes to the story enables the reader to comprehend the structure and significance of a short story. Understanding how these aspects interact provides the reader with an appreciation for the short story's purpose. Basic elements of a story. Settings, characters, conflict, plot, theme. Element. Settings. When/where does the story take place? The word setting includes not only where the story takes place, but also when it happens, as well as the people and culture that live in the world where the story takes place. Having a well-developed setting is important because it enhances the reading experience and helps the story's plot, tone, and characters flourish. Element. Characters. A character is a person, animal, or anything personified who acts in the plot of a short story or other literary work. Through characters, readers can experience the world that the author has built, both through the characters' interactions with and perceptions of their environment. Element. Conflict. Conflict is any challenge that a character faces in a narrative. In a short narrative, the conflict is a struggle between two people or objects. The protagonist is on one side of the primary conflict. Element. Theme. The idea, belief, moral, lesson, or insight being discussed here is referred to as the theme. The theme might be thought of as the why of the story. It is also important to have a theme in order to give your characters and events significance. This results in a significant amount of emotional or spiritual participation and release from the audience. Element. A plot. The sequence of events that take place throughout the narrative is referred to as the plot. In general, a plot will have an introduction, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. The plot is in charge of making sure that every important part of the story is in place so that the reader can understand it and it can move forward. Great stories are built on compelling characters, plots, and themes. Visit our page for more information about this lesson in literature. Thank you for listening. Bye. Easy, sir.